welcome back to another episode. In this episode we'll be changing a 7-pin trailer plug with a new one. I've never done this before, so come along. So long story short, I bought this tinny off Marketplace and we've tested it out. The motor needs to be fixed again, so we're going to take it to the shop this time and get them to do it and look over it and everything. In the meantime, I'm going to be fixing the trailer lights. So when we did take it out to test it, the trailer lights were dodgy and I don't really want to take it out again without getting that problem fixed, so that's what we're doing today. So I've already gone ahead and unscrewed the top off, and I also unscrewed the earth wire, and a little bit of it like kind of fell off, so I'm wondering if that was the problem. I've also cleaned the Ranger plug. Even though we don't use the top row, there's a little bit of corrosion in there, so I cleaned the bottom row as well, but there looked like that was just mostly dirty. So this is the new plug. We're basically just gonna open this one up, unscrew all the wires on there and redo that to this. So you don't have to unscrew the bolts all the way, you just unscrew it a little bit and then the wires should just kind of pop out just like that. So I'm gonna strip these back a little bit just so we have a fresh set to start with and connect it to the new one. As you can see, I've stripped back the white, the green and the brown wires already, and I just have to do the yellow and the red. They look so much better already. The green wires were literally non-existent. So I've just finished cutting them all and trimming back the wire. Now I'm gonna plug them into this. I just put the new waterproof cap on. I had to use this tool. Luckily I bought this set from Supercheap because I thought I'd need it, but it turns out it did come in handy because this was really hard to get on without it. It was a tight fit. Anyways, time to connect. So once you've opened it up, you're gonna unscrew this and then lightly unscrew the screws that you need along here. So I definitely know I need the earth one, and then I'll figure out the rest as we go. Just finished wiring up the new plug. I'm gonna screw the top back on, pull that back up and then test it. So reverse the car bag, plugged it in, and it was a really tight fit. So I'm saying that's a good sign already. Because last time it basically fell out when we were driving and it was all connected and everything. Yep. But that's a really good fit, so let's make sure it works. So there you have it. That's how you fix your plug. Well, that's how I fixed mine. It was really easy.